Alright, in a previous video, we showed how to reset a forgotten Windows password using Advanced Startup Options method. But many of you ran into the same problem. When you click Command Prompt from the Recovery menu, Windows asks for the password you've already forgotten, making the whole thing circular. Today, I'm showing the method that actually works in that situation. Resetting your local account password using a bootable Windows USB drive with no third-party software required. Important: only use this method on a computer you own or are authorized to access. This is a legitimate recovery procedure for your own locked device, not a tool for accessing anyone else's machine. Let's jump right in. For this, you need a bootable Windows USB drive, at least 8 GB, with Windows 10 or 11 on it. If you don't have one, check our previous video on creating a bootable USB with Ventoy or Rufus, link in the description. Plug the bootable USB into the locked PC. Restart and enter the boot menu. Press F12 on Dell, F11 on HP, F9 on Asus, or whatever your manufacturer uses. Select the USB drive and press Enter. The Windows installation environment loads. Follow the initial language selection screen normally. When you see the Repair Your Computer option in the lower left corner, if you're using Windows 10, click it. Select your keyboard layout. Click Troubleshoot, then click Command Prompt. This opens Command Prompt with full administrator access before Windows loads, which is why it doesn't ask for the forgotten password. In the Recovery Command Prompt, the drive letters may be different from what you're used to. Windows might be on C, D, or another letter, depending on how the recovery environment assigned them. Let's confirm. Type C: and press Enter. Then type dir and press Enter. Look at the list of folders. If you see a Windows folder, your Windows installation is on C. If you don't see a Windows folder, try D: and run dir again until you find the drive containing the Windows folder. Once you've found it, navigate there. CD, Windows. Press Enter, then CD. System 32. Press Enter. You're now in the System32 folder. Type these two commands exactly as shown. ren utilman.exe space utilmanbk.exe. Press Enter. This renames the original utility manager to a backup name. ren cmd.exe space utilman.exe. Press Enter. This renames Command Prompt to take the utility manager's place. Close the Command Prompt window, click Turn off your PC, and start it normally without the USB drive. The PC boots to the Windows login screen as usual. Look at the lower right corner. You'll see the Ease of Access icon. Click it. Instead of the Ease of Access panel, a Command Prompt window opens because we temporarily replaced it. This Command Prompt has administrator privileges even at the login screen. Type the following command exactly. Control User Passwords 2. Press Enter. The User Accounts window opens, showing every local account on this PC. Click on the account you're locked out of. Click Reset Password. A dialog appears with two fields, New Password and Confirm New Password. You have two options. Set a new password. Type your desired new password in both fields and click OK. Remove the password entirely, leave both fields blank, and click OK. The account will have no password. Click OK, then OK again to close the User Accounts window. Close the Command Prompt window. You're back at the login screen. Press Enter or click the arrow. Windows logs you in directly. Welcome back to your desktop, but we're not finished. This is the step most guides skip, and it's important. Right now, the Ease of Access button on the login screen is still linked to Command Prompt instead of the actual utility manager. If you try to open Command Prompt normally from within Windows, it may also behave unexpectedly on some systems. We need to reverse the file renaming exactly as we did it, but this requires administrator-level access to System32 before Windows loads, so we need to boot from the USB one more time. Plug the USB drive back in and restart. Boot from USB again, go to Troubleshoot, Command Prompt, navigate to System32 again, CD Windows, CD System32. Now reverse the renaming with these two commands, ren utilman.exe to cmd.exe. Press Enter. This renames our temporary cmd.exe back to its original name, ren utilmanbk.exe to utilman.exe. Press Enter. This restores the original utility manager from the backup we made. Close Command Prompt, click Turn off your PC, remove the USB drive, and start normally. Boot into Windows. Open Command Prompt from the Start menu and confirm it opens normally. Go to the Login screen and confirm the Ease of Access button now opens the Ease of Access panel, not Command Prompt. Everything is restored to exactly how it was before. The only difference is that you now have access to your account. Now that you're back in, set a new secure password and consider storing it in a password manager so this doesn't happen again. Drop a comment if you hit any issues at a specific step. I reply regularly. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.